The topic of wrongful convictions is really new to me and to the people who listen to this show. Many of us, we're looking at the fact that in countries like the US, Canada, the UK, there are instances where people are convicted and after some time there's fresh evidence and they are exonerated. In the United Kingdom, they have a criminal cases review commission that independently reviews cases of people who are maintaining their innocence after they've been convicted. And as we see, even in this case, that if it wasn't for someone intervening, this person would have been in custody, would have served his full sentence.
If I didn't intervene, it would have ended there.
Is there any sort of system in the Bahamas to deal with wrongful convictions that a prisoner can? Has it ever happened?
The way I've seen it is you commence a civil claim for malicious prosecution or something on the civil side of things. But outside of that, there's nothing to compensate this young man for the amount of time he has remained or languished. I love to use the Privy Council word. Nothing to compensate him for languishing for that amount of time while his matters took their course through the system, other than if he were to pursue it from the civil side. And because we're also dealing with someone who is impecunious, sometimes they don't bother. He said, Miss Mason-Smith, I'm just so grateful that I have another chance at life. I don't even want to go through the system. Even though I know what has happened to me was unfortunate and wrong. He said, I just want to live now, so to speak. And so, what do we do for him?